Integrate the given trigonometric expression. We need to use the method of substitution to find the integral value of the given trigonometric expression. We begin by assigning a variable to our selected function. In this case, let u be equals to sine x. It implies that du equals cosine x dx. So that we replace dx with the value of du we obtained in the integral expression. Here, we have that the integration of the given expression equals the integration of cosine x dx, all divided by the product of cosine x and the sum of the square of u and u plus 1, as shown on the screen. Simplify to get the u integral expression, as shown on the screen. Then apply the method of completing the square. It implies that the sum of the square of u and u plus 1 equals the sum of the square of u plus half and the square of half of the square root of 3. Hence, we have that the integration of the reciprocal of the sum of the square of u and u plus 1 with respect to d, u equals the integration of the sum of the square of u and u plus 1 equals the sum of the square of u plus half and the square of half of the square root of 3. In general, the integration of inverse of the square of x and the square of a constant term t equals the product of the reciprocal of t and tan inverse of x divided by t plus the constant term, c. With this formula shown, we use it to simplify our work. In this case, x equals the sum of u and half, which equals half the sum of 2 times u and 1, and t equals half the square root of 3. We have that the integration of the inverse of the sum of the square of half of 2 times u plus 1 and the square of half of the square root of 3 with respect to u equals the product of 2 divided by the square root of 3 and tan inverse of the square root of 3 and 2 times x plus 1, all divided by 3, plus the c, which is the constant term of integration. After simplification of the integrated expression, recall that u equals sine x. Therefore, the integration of cosine x divided by the sum of square x and sine x plus 1 equals the product of 2 divided square root of 3 and tan inverse of square root of 3 divided by 3 times the sum of 2 times sine x and 1 plus c, the constant term of integration.